Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter again, and this is just another way that you can generate traffic to whatever you are promoting online. And of course, you may have seen my videos, and to me it's all about introducing ways to people of promoting or generating exposure to whatever they are promoting online. If you haven't got a business opportunity, this marketing system can be your primary business because it has a great compensation plan. And this video here is to gain the attention of the beginner marketer. If you are a beginner of marketing online, you're going to need a marketing system which has capture pages. Capture pages has a space where people can put in their email address or name or phone number to request more information about what you are promoting. And with the marketing system and the capture page, you have what you call an autoresponder. And the autoresponder is a funnel, we call it, with pre-written messages, that professional pre-written messages that will go out on your behalf to promote whatever business opportunity you are promoting, or it will promote the marketing system itself. Now you can get started with the Power Lead system from the beginning, which is called Lead Lightning. Lead Lightning starts you off with the Power Lead system, but it's the beginning part, and you don't have to pay but $7 one-time fee. And this is where you will get your autoresponder and your capture page already made out for you, and all it costs is $7 one-time fee. And this is what the capture page will look like right here. And once you start promoting your capture page, whatever business opportunity that you are in, you could place that inside, you could promote the second link to represent your primary business as well. And once they put their information in here, their email address, they're going to start receiving messages on your behalf to tell them about the Lead Lightning. And once they join up with Lead Lightning for $7, you're getting paid $6 out of that $7. Now, if you upgrade to the Power Lead system, you will have the capabilities of revising and making making numerous unlimited capture pages, unlimited domain names that you are able to create for yourself. And you have the referral link A, which will promote the Lead Lightning by itself, which is the beginning of the Power Lead system. And you have referral link B, which will promote your primary business. If you're not in a primary business, like I said, you can always promote this marketing system, which has a great compensation plan. Now, you're going to need traffic to see these links. You got to have a place where you need to promote, or where you want to promote these links. Either or. Lead Lightning, one-time $7 fee, or your primary business, whatever it may be. You're going to put the link right here. You're going to click update. You don't have to upgrade just yet. You don't have to upgrade unless you want to ever. But as you start making money, you're going to want to upgrade where you can start building those capture pages more than just one. With the Lead Lightning part, you have just one. And let me show you one of my capture pages, a couple of my capture pages that I had put on a subdomain. Of course, you need a domain where you can make subdomains. Let's view all domains. And this is what I love. I love this marketing system, and now they've come out with a power blog where you can blog each and every day. You have a personal blog. Okay, these are some of the capture pages, subdomains that I have created. And as you can see, I have quite a few. Let's look at this one. And you have already made templates out there that you can just put your information on. You can revise it. You can set the background to another background if you want to. You even can copy pages with videos and put your own videos in there. And you are taught how to do that inside the system. You become a gold member, and all the training you need is back in your back office. These are just capture pages that I created, and I'm just having fun doing so. And I make videos, whereas people can come and look at my videos. And these are from the pages I've created. And once you create them, they are out there in cyberspace where people can see them. You are getting much more exposure by making videos, by creating your own capture pages and subdomain. And like I said, I'm just having fun doing this, and you will too. If you're a beginner, you can come and start training immediately. Once you become an upgraded member, a gold member, you have the training area. You can come over, and you would like to just go over and just start training each and every day. It teaches you how to make your YouTube videos, where to start at. Let me see if I can log in right quick. Wait just a minute. And this is just the inside the training area. You can come over here and just click on daily tips, and it will show you how to get started, where to get started. Say start here, and it would teach you different things about what to do. Your training here. You have everything you need to promote your business. But anyway, I'm Marlon Carter, a proud member of the Power Lead system. Once you join up with the $7, you're going to want to promote it. And this is Leased Ad Space, where you can come over and pay $7 more and put your link, send a solo ad out every 28 days. This is a solo ad you can mail out every 28 days for life, just for $7. You don't have to go to the $17 level or the $27 or the $47. But once you start, you're going to want to go on up where you can mail out sooner. I can mail out every 2 days because this is where I am, and I get 110,000 banner ad impression every month, and I get 60,000 text ad impression every month, and I can mail out every 2 days. Permanent text classified, unlimited permanent text ad in our classified ad directory. So you know, this is one way to go, and you can do it too. If you're a beginner, just come on over, start with $7 with Lead Lightning, and then come over and get you a spot in Leased Ad Space and start putting your link inside your Lead Lightning link inside of the Leased Ad Space traffic program. All right, this is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. Click on the link below to get started with Lead Lightning and then Leased Ad Space. Both of the links will be at the bottom. You all have